letting this go be on your side. Oh, you're okay, Jiggle B. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. Please, before I start, like if you like, even if you don't like, please, and share and subscribe. This is a brief for the dollar, and I'm still extremely bullish, and I have every right for that. And if the dollar does not have a price expansion to the upside next week, at least 1.5%, I would sell my position and stay out for a very long time until I, reach, get back my confidence, because I'm extremely confident. If it goes down, it's gonna smash me really bad, because I'm in my belief I'm 100% right now. Okay, so if it doesn't work, I have to sell and look. But I really am very certain about my analysis. Good deal. So what's going on here? We concluded the 5 waves down, big 5, a 3-3-5 extended flat, ABC 1 2 3 4 5 1, and we have this conclusion of 1. And I was so confident about this conclusion of 2. Sorry, and I was so confident about this too. And I was right. I was lucky to be right, but at least I was confident. I have to be very confident about my analysis. And we have 1, 2, and as I said last week, it was very possible to have a conclusion of minute 3, and I think we did. It was 150 Feb extension from this move to this move, high, low, and this is 150. So I think we concluded the 4th minute wave now, and next week we're gonna go for 5th minute wave. So this is the Elliott wave analysis. So what else in conventional technical analysis? Beautiful MACD crossover, and the distance between the shorter term and the longer term is beautiful, and it shows confidence and bullishness in the next week, and also a bullish crossover in the stochastic. I always believe once you go overbought, most of the times you will go for another overbought, and if you go for another overbought, that's another probability of price expansion to the upside. Overbought, another go, okay? Another go, okay? Overbought, another go, and so on and so forth. So it gives you a second leg most of the times. So this is the start of the second leg up. Good. So talked about Elliott wave and conventional technical analysis when it comes to MACD and stochastic. Let's look at another bullishness. We have 1, 2, 3. We have bottom, bottom, and we broke the trend line. We up, and we have 1, 2, 3. This is the 3 reversal, and now we have a mini breakout as far as a bull flag or bullish wedge. If you call this a bullish wedge. So we broke out here, and we tested it today, and we succeeded. Okay, and this is extremely obvious in both 2 hours and 4 hour time frame, but for sure this fits the textbook of flag / bullish wedge. Okay, as this bullish development all the way. So usually once you have a pullback, if you wait for almost a whole week, a whole trading week, and you don't have a price collapse, that's an indicative of a conclusion of this corrective phase. Usually, as I said last week, a fourth wave, minute fourth wave usually is really okay to hold your position, as I said. So what does this suggest? A price expansion to the upside. So combine this classic breakout with the stochastic here. Okay, just give you confidence that you will have breakout right here. As you can see, you could always look and repeat. Rinse, repeat, as they say. Okay, so second go based on historical performance. Oh God. And a bull wage right here. Good deal. Okay, beautiful. So what do I base it on so far? A start of a fifth wave, which is an impulsive to the upside, based on this conclusion, based on Elliott wave, and also conventional technical analysis. Good deal? Okay, let's go. This is another thing that makes me very confident. Okay, you can read this. So only one time this thing didn't really give us price expansion to the upside. It is this one right here. So you have probably 5-1, which is extremely good, if you ask me. Okay, so a bullish crossover between the 20 and 50 is always good, usually, all the time. Only one time lagged, and the rest gave us price expansion to the upside. So is this another probability to bullish expansion to the upside? Absolutely. Again, we go for Elliott wave, conventional technical analysis, moving averages analysis. Okay, that's why I said if it doesn't work next week, I'm going to be really harsh on myself. Good deal. So another finding: it's always bullish when the price go to a mean reversion to the 10-day moving average and have price rejection like this one. That means the buyers were waiting here, and once they buy, they want to buy it up, because a lot of people don't want to chase the stock or the asset. They usually wait for the mean reversion, and the best one is up sloping 10-day moving average, and the best reaction is this bad boy, a rejection. Good deal. Do I have to repeat that? Okay. 10-day moving average, rejection from 10-day moving average, bullish crossover 20 and 50, bullish wedge breakout, bullish development and indicators, and Elliott wave. Good deal. Beautiful. So this is the weekly time frame for the USD DXY. So what's beautiful about that? RSI over 50. It's always beautiful. Always good things happen when the RSI stays over 50. Good deal. What else? A bullish crossover in a MACD in the weekly time frame, which tells me the bias with the bulls. Okay? You can always check it on your own time. Weekly time frame, when you have a bullish crossover in the MACD, it's okay to have a position for weeks or months or whatever until things turn, and also the stochastic is uptrending. Good deal, great deal. So bullish development, the weekly time frame, and bullish Elliott wave, bullish moving averages analysis, bullish breakouts like the bullish wedge, bull flag, call whatever you want to call it, bullish developments and indicators. What do you want? Okay, let's look at the 10-year, the yield. Okay, this is the first time since May 10th we have a very beautiful bullish crossover in the MACD that came with bullish divergence between the price action and the stochastic. And we all know that a lot of things happen when you have equal low here or lower low, but here you have an equal low, and with that you have a higher low in stochastic. So always something beautiful happens when this happened, or when this happens. So bullish development even in the 10-year. Okay, let's look at TLT. I'll tell you why I think this is good. I'm not talking now about the fundamental analysis, which is higher yields, higher dollar. No, I'm going to look at the bonds overall. So this is TLT, the ETF for bond. So this is the first time for TLT to close, the price action to close comfortably below the 10-day moving average since May 19th. Okay, and we have almost, it's going to be by Monday, it's gonna cross over. So we have a MACD crossover, and also RSI going almost going toward the 50, even though it's still, I have a view I'm going to discuss right now about this RSI. But I think next week they're very likely that TLT will go down, which means the bonds will go down. Okay, usually the RSI will have at least two good. They go for the overbought at least two times after the first attempt. If this is an overbought, I really don't know. It doesn't look like an overbought, but maybe if TLT collapses from here, this might be an overbought. But if it doesn't, usually you have another go. That means TLT might go back up later. So my thesis that TLT will go down next week. That means almost a liquidation mode next week in the market. Okay. In the past, when you have an overbought in RSI for TLT, you have another go. But if you don't have another go, that means that was the overbought. So I didn't have to get so technical here. Okay, good deal. So TLT. So I think a liquidation mode will take place. The people would sell everything, gold, bonds, and equity, and they go for the dollar with these bullish developments. Please don't forget to like if you like, and subscribe, and please share and support this channel. And do remember that, you know, no matter what happens, disco is always forever, and it will never die, and it is forever.